Look, if you're sitting there trying to make sense of where the hell to put your money or how to back founders without losing your shirt, this hits where it hurts. Traditional funds? Overcrowded, outdated, and packed with noise you don't need. You know it. You've lived it. You see other people playing this game on easy mode, raking in deals while you're stuck jumping through endless hoops, waiting for the perfect opportunity that never shows. It's frustrating, exhausting, and honestly, it's making you doubt the whole damn system. But here's the kicker. Blind pools are grabbing all the attention right now, not because they're some shiny new toy, but because they solve the exact pain that's been strangling private equity for years. You don't get bogged down in endless due diligence on companies that are dead on arrival or already toxic. You don't waste your time fighting over scraps in hyper-competitive auctions where everyone's got the same tired script. You get to invest in the operator, in the team, in their vision, before they even pick the deal. This flips the whole dynamic. Suddenly, you're part of the decision-making process. You hold real influence. Now, listen carefully. The mistake most make is thinking that blind pools are risky because you don't know the companies up front. That's exactly the old way speaking. Actually, not knowing up front who the bets are on means you're betting on the right thing. A focused, relentless, battle-tested team that lives and breathes finding sustainable opportunities nobody else sees or has the guts to touch. These operators build pipelines, they move fast, and they've got networks so deep it's scary. You're tapping into raw, unfiltered deal flow that's off the radar. That's where the real juice lives. Here's what really separates the winners. Don't just be a passive check writer. Demand transparency on deal sourcing and execution strategy. Push for alignment. Founders, investors, and operators all locked into the same vision, the same stakes. Push hard for clear reporting. If the operators can't prove they know their market inside out or that they have a plan for each dollar, walk away. Blind pools are powerful, but only if you treat them like a partnership with homework, not a lottery ticket. The last thing you want is to keep chasing the illusion of safety in known companies that are already overpriced, or investing too late after everyone else has vetted and squeezed them dry. Blind pools get you in earlier, on better terms, with teams that don't settle for mediocre. If you want to beat the clock and the crowd, this is how you do it. You grab positions in these pools and leverage the insider information the operators build, not by guessing, but by hard work and deep boots-on-the-ground plays. Stop trying to control every tiny variable. That's a trap. Instead, control who you trust, how aligned you are with them, and hold their feet to the fire on results. This means you stop wasting energy on companies that look good on paper but are empty inside. Instead, you pour fuel on operators who can find and fix the mess others won't touch. This isn't for the faint of heart. If you want a shortcut, go back to public markets or crowded fund of funds. But if you're ready to break the mold, invest your attention in understanding the real mechanics behind these pools, elevate your partnerships, and pressure test everything until only the strongest stay standing. One brutal truth: the old way of investing is dying. Blind pools aren't just a fad. They're a revolution for the ones who refuse to play by someone else's rules, who want to get inside the real deal flow, back the right people, and make capital work as a tool to build, not just a checkbox to tick. Rise above chasing fake safety and mediocre returns. This is your path to ownership at a different level, but only if you do the work, build the relationships, and stick to what matters. So, don't just watch from the sidelines. Get in. Vet harder. Align tighter. Demand more. This is how the smartest founders and investors are rewriting the rules right now. The next wave is already flowing. Either you ride it or you get left wondering why you missed out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.